afternoon, y'all. We're going down to the East Park at Lake Nacogdoches. And hopefully we won't be shooting this as the sun's going down and it messed the video up. If it does, I just won't post it, and I'll come back another day, different time of day. I see deer out here a lot when I come over here. There was some pretty little deer standing right back there one day. And if y'all watch the other video, the ducks were straight across in that area right there on the other side of the bank. That's where all those ducks were. I just wonder what kind of ducks those were. They sure were pretty. I should have walked out on the pier and tried to have seen one a little bit closer. Y'all want to watch that man get his boat up there? Well, I can't get this thing set at the right angle. And that's a big old dam. My daddy number 2, my stepdaddy, that dam, he got fired from his job to come to my wedding in 1975. He was working on this lake, digging it out, driving a dozer, and he told him he needed to get off in time to come to my wedding, and they wouldn't let him, and he just walked off the job and got fired. I was like, oh my God, you shouldn't have done that. Like, you know, I would have understood. But yeah, he lost his job. And at least I stayed married for almost 20 years. So it was like living in hell, but I made it. And you know, I don't regret it, because I wouldn't have learned the lessons that I learned. You know, and your lessons is what makes you who you are. And anything that's happened to me, I mean, I guess it sounds strange, but I mean, I'm glad everything has happened the way it's happened, or I wouldn't be who I am. Do y'all understand that? I think about stuff really deep sometimes. And, you know, there's a lot of stuff you wonder why it happened to you. But, you know, if I hadn't lived my childhood the way I lived, which my parents divorced when I was 8, and my dad got custody of us, and not that my mother was bad or nothing, it's just a long story. And, you know, if I hadn't just had everything that happened the way it happened, and how my ex-husband treated me, I probably wouldn't be who I am now. And I like me. Does that make sense? I like who I am. And each thing was a lesson. It was a lesson. And I think this road is a dead end, and I probably should have turned back there, but maybe there's a place I can turn around and these people won't shoot me. Boy, we're getting the sun off the water. Oh, somebody's building a new house. That's going to be nice. was talking to. She's lost her mind. Guess if I turn that way, y'all might could see some of these houses. Y'all, I'm learning. Look at that fancy mailbox with the golf ball. Okay, here's the dead end. I was thinking it was back down on the other corner down there. Okay, let's see if we can turn the, well, I want y'all to see this mailbox. Look at that golf ball with a smiley face. Oh, they must really love golf. Whistle and my alarm when I walk. I clip it on me. And if the booger man gets after you, you can set it off and it's real loud, flashes a light. And my mace and my knife and I don't know what all I got in here. And I ain't scared to use none of it. My son always tells me, Mama, if they get you, they'll turn you loose. I hope they don't get me, but I hope if they do get me, they do turn me loose. Whoever they are, they would have their hands full. Anyway, y'all be blessed, and don't forget to say prayers.